Now's the time to buy, and now's the time to save.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Are you